today we are going to be making tea lights out of tins, or you can call them cans.
Either way.
And we have learnt this and it's like really cool.
Mm.
So the first thing we're going to do is you know how you've got tomatoes or tomato sauce and you put it on, like, you put it in your pasta and all that? Well, you can get your tin or can from that and you just take off the label. I've still got like little parts here. And to start off this, we are going to like start by freezing this. So we'll show you what that's like. So this is Me and Harmony's cans.
Got no freezy stuff in it.
Okay, and okay, it's worked. See this?
Something's weird happened to mine. It's like bulged out.
So what we did was we put water in this, see, and then we froze it. So this makes it easier to like put what we're gonna do. And also to start it off, you actually also are going to need a hammer.
I got the not heavy one.
And about some nails.
Yeah,
We've got three just in case one gets blunt or the next one gets blunt or something. So we're going to start. Oh, and at the start you meant to label out what you're going to do. So I'm quickly going to try and look for, actually no, text is one. Try and do it with a text action.
I'm gonna do it with the pink one so we can see it better. Wait, does this work?
Okay, it actually doesn't work, okay everyone? It doesn't work, it will just ruin the text.
Oh, it doesn't? Okay.
Unless... Yeah. Okay. So, we've got these pieces of paper here. And we're going to draw what we want to
Oh, good
have.
idea.
Where's the pencils? Oh, they're around here. No pencils.
Okay. I've chosen to do a love heart.
Which one's darker? HB and this one.
So I've just chosen to be
Okay, I think we're both done. I know, I think. You done? Almost. Remember, you can't have too many. It's going to be too hard. Oh yeah, also, by the way,
it has to be really simple. So
Otherwise it's gonna take a while.
it's gonna take a
so
while.
we'll put these in the corner maybe. Up here, something like that.
To
So you can see
inspire
it.
us.
And we'll start. I started holding. Ow! Good finger. Yes. Okay, this is quite hard. Ooh, that's a good idea. Found one.
For a second we had to
Get some
stop,
bricks.
yeah, to just hold it.
It's easier.
Be careful with
Slipping.
I'm going to show you what mine is like so far. We did, because mine is a heart, I'm trying to do the side. and see how it goes in. So it would be a little bit harder, I think, if it weren't frozen.
Spitting out ice.
Okay.
Guess I haven't done many dots, so spitting out ice.
Looks like a spider face.
Hi guys, so we ended up finishing and we're going to show you what it looks like, but I'm just saying we tried putting, you know, like just doing it here. It didn't work. We then tried the bricks and that didn't work either because they moved a little bit. We tried our lap, that works, and this works. So this is a little bit annoying because after this it's going to melt because it's ice.
Cool. Is this gonna melt?
I know it does look cool though.
Ah! It melted on me. There's water all over me.
And so the table got wet a little bit. And this is quite damp.
Yeah,
So
this is
you
damp.
could, when you're at home, you could do it on your lap or here, but just be careful, okay?
Don't hit on your finger. That happened to me a lot, and
Yeah.
it does not feel nice.
So I did, where is it? That, there's the love heart. Then I also did that one, the love heart. Then I also did this one here, the tiny little love heart. And I did CKL for Creative Kids Lubgo.
Well, I basically did the night sky. I did a little moon, and I did some stars, which are the dots, and it goes all the way around back to the moon.
Yeah, so, but I recommend you all should do this because
It's
we'll
really
show you at
cool.
the end. We'll show you what it looks like when it's lighted up. And just remember, I don't really leave it on your table. It drips even from the bottom because it's not the best. Don't get the towel too damp. It's really cold. So we'll show you what. So we've got, this is all, the ice is melted, and we've got our tea lights and our matches. Just remember, be careful with matches. And we're going to show you how we put the tea light in. So you put your tea light in first. And then with your matches, you light it. And you bend it down and you put it in. Just remember though, it does, you have to be careful not to go like this too much because it does, you know, get hot. And so then it looks really beautiful. And we'll show you a picture at the end on what it looks like as like really in the dark. So bye then.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone. And
Please
please
subscribe and hit the
notification bell. Bye. Bye.